Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Raven, aka the Swankstylista, and on my channel, I help baddies on a budget through fashion, press-on nails, beauty, and a little bit of lifestyle. This video was highly requested after I posted this video showing multiple ways that you can tie a button up. So I'll be showing you how I tied each way and how you can achieve the same look. I'll be sure to put my measurements and what size men's shirt that I'm wearing here. So with all that being said, let's get into this tutorial. The first way is just a simple tied in the front. You're gonna pull each side up here, shimmy this up the back if you need to, cross one end over the other, and then you're gonna cross again. So you just pull it up like so, like that. Okay, we're gonna get a little belly. You can make this looser or as tight as you want it to be. So I like to make sure the front is pretty smooth. So take this side and you're gonna tuck it under and pull it through. So then you have a smooth here. You can always adjust so you can button this to hide your bra, so it'll look more like this, or you can do this knot around this part of your bra. The way that I tied it, you can see that the two ends fall to the bottom versus one going up here and one going up there. The next way is off the shoulder. For this one, you're going to need a strapless bra, preferably like one width size smaller. So if you wear like a 34D, maybe a 32D. Okay, I'm going to tell you right now, this one's going to take a little finagling, okay? So we have our strapless bra on. You want to bring this off to the side, off the shoulder. We're going to take one side, doesn't matter, go into the bra, okay? Tuck in this tag, because that ain't supposed to be showing. And we're going to take the other side and go under the bra. So one goes over and one goes under. Okay? You're going to pull this tight. Okay? Real tight. You want to adjust here and along the waistband so you don't have any slippage or anything like that. So you want to pull from different ends. So this side with the buttons or this side with the button holes is going to pull this top part, and the other side with just the hem is going to pull the back part. So if I pull this, you see how that gets tighter, okay? You can also tuck it into the top of the bra for a little bit more security. Got it. You can make a variation of this, one shoulder up as well. Okay, so you're just going to keep adjusting it to your liking. Making sure that it's nice and secure. Once you do that, you're going to tie it. Just like you did the other one. Make a loop. Tie it. Now your bra is covered. You can cover up any other areas. And you can leave the ends of the shirt like this or tuck it up like I did in the video. You just tuck these under in your bra. And you can also add fashion tape to secure it if you need to. Next is the twist and tuck. So you're going to take the ends of the shirt again. You're going to twist it and twist it. I twist twice just to secure it. You can also twist it once. I've done that before as well. And then we're just going to tuck. We're going to tuck the ends of the shirt in. You can make this as loose or as fitted as you would like it to be. And you're all secure. Next is backwards. You're going to take your shirt and turn it backward. You can either have someone help you button the back, or what I did with this one was just tied it in the back like I did for the first tie. So you're going to fold this up so this can be nice and neat, honey, okay? We're going to take the back, tie it, and then I just tucked the ends like that. Now, ideally, you want to do this without a bra so it looks kind of like backless, or you would just button up the whole thing in the back. Next is a cross tuck. You're going to take kind of what it says and just cross tuck it. So you take one side, depending on which side you want to be the front side. If you want the buttons to be the front side, sometimes I do that so that it looks and shows that it's not buttoned. So we'll do that. You're going to take one side and tuck it. You can tuck this all the way around if you want to. And then we're going to take the other side tuck it, and then you'll just adjust it how you want it to sit. Let me look in the mirror. And this is the cross tuck. You can adjust it for how high or low you want it to be. The higher up and less cleavage that you want to show, the more to one side you need to tuck. So like from this side, you need to tuck it like really far over. Vice versa with this side, or if you want it to show a little bit more, you would cross it a little bit less. Okay? And for the last way, the deep V, you're going to take the collar and turn it in. Okay? You want to do this with something that isn't super stiff. You are going to see my bra. Sorry, just peeking through here. Do this without a bra. So now it's going to look like this. You want to adjust the collar. This one's kind of stiff, but just adjust it as much as you need to and have this lay. So now you don't see the buttons or anything. That's all tucked under. I sometimes like to just button one button low enough. It's gonna sit. This is all gonna sit in your pants. That creates the shape of the deep V. Now we're gonna tuck it all the way in, okay? If anything has shifted, just shift it back in place. You can also do this with a cross tuck. So if you want to unbutton it, you can cross these over, and now it's like a cross tuck, but with a smooth neckline, okay? You can make this a little bit looser if you want to. If you have like a bralette or something peeking through, you can also do that. There's so many ways you can do all of these styles. That is it, girl. This is my full tutorial on that reel and how I tied this shirt so many different ways. Let me know in the comment if you've tried any of these ties before and what your favorite one is from this video. If I can, I'll link this shirt and these jeans in the description box below. And since you've made it this far, you might as well join the tribe of baddies on a budget, honey, and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're the first to be notified every time I post a new video. And you might as well follow me on IG and TikTok. Until next time, girl, watch this video that was picked specifically for you.